When we analyse the information we have in this question, we've got a mass, a height and the output power, and we're being asked a time. So that would suggest that we're going to be looking at the power energy time formula. And what you've really got to do in any example like that is simply look at, well, what energy do we think is involved? So in this case, it's again in potential energy. And so we can calculate that using the EP equals mgh formula, and then substitute that into the P equals E over T formula. So now we can do our substitution that the power is 10 kilowatts, so that's 10,000, equals the energy, which is 196,000, divided by the time. So there's our substitution. Rearranging, we'll multiply both sides by T, we'll get 10,000 T equals 196,000, and then divide both sides by 10,000 to isolate T on that side. 196,000 divided by 10,000 gives us 19.6 seconds.